Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow nearby multiplayer in Game Center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then we go down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now in here, tap on Content Restrictions. Then we go down to the Game Center section and tap on Nearby Multiplayer. Now in here you can choose between Allow or Don't Allow. And so select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.